So, guys, big news coming in for students who are planning to come to Canada as international students. The Canadian High Commission in India has just posted on Twitter. They are mentioning special news for those students who are coming in the Jan intake and probably onwards as well. So, please be tuned till the end. My name is Sahil, and we are discussing this important topic in this video. So guys, welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian migration consultant and I practice here inside Ontario, Toronto. If you want to speak to me, my number is on the screen right now and in the description box. Kindly feel free to schedule an appointment with us. We would be more than happy to help you. If you are watching this video for the first time, then I request you to kindly subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and share it with your friends. All those who are willing to come to Canada as aspirants, then the notification of a new video on any update or any notification will be sent to you directly from YouTube or any other channel. So guys, we're discussing the important topic on the students, the international students who are coming to Canada, who are currently enrolled in the Jan intake. A couple of hours ago, the High Commission sent out an update on their Twitter, the official Twitter handle, and I'm going to read it word by word so that you get to know exactly what's going on. So guys, the post says that the students enrolled for January course are not required to travel to Canada by January. Okay, by January 1st to attend classes. That is what they're saying. Even with expanded hours of operations at the visa application centers, not all students will be able to enroll their biometrics and have their application finalized before January classes start, right? So they are acknowledging that they know that your classes in January are starting. They are expanding their operation. They have a big team, a large team working day in day out on finalizing your applications, but they won't be able to do so for everybody. So no need to panic. Many DLIs continue to offer online classes. Students may attend online as they wait for their study permits, for the study permit applications to be processed. So, guys, there you go. The High Commission has officially, recommended that you guys continue to hold on to your January intakes, even by January end or early February. Hope your applications for your January intake will be processed, and then once you are studying, once you're eligible to travel, if you're a part of that DLI and you get a PPR, get your passport request and everything. So if you meet all those eligibilities to travel, then you will be allowed to travel. So once again, make sure that if you are a part of, as the tweet says, if you are a part of the January intake at a DLI in Canada, you can continue to enroll in those online sessions, in those online classes, and hopefully your Jan intake, the visas will be processed a little later. They won't be processed before your classes start, but they will be processed soon. There you go, guys. I hope the news provided some relief to all those people who have been willing to come to Canada. And once again, my office is here. If my number is on the screen and in the description box. If you have any follow-up questions, please feel free to schedule an appointment with me, and I would be more than happy to help you out. Guys, thank you for watching and see you soon in Canada. All the best.